You Can Heal Your Life by Louise was written in 1984. You will only begin to change your life when you learn how to love yourself properly. If you want to understand your parents more, get them to talk about their own childhood, and if you listen with compassion, you will learn where their fears and rigid patterns come from. They will often tell me that they can't love themselves because they are so fat, or as one girl put it, too round at the edges. Louise explained that they are fat because they don't love themselves. When we begin to love and approve of ourselves, it is amazing how weight just disappears from our bodies. At one point, Louise was told that she had cancer, but was healed through a combination of radically changed diet and mental techniques. After spending most of her life on the East Coast, she moved back to LA and was reunited with her mother before the latter's death. Louise's book You Can Heal Your Life is the message of a person who has crawled out of victimhood, and this aspect of it has been an enormous appeal, particularly to women with similar histories. The essence of Hayes' teaching is love of the self and evaporation of guilt, a process she believes makes us mentally free and physically healthy, as the study of psychoimmunology attests. This is the product of states of mind. Louise believes that the inability to forgive is the root cause of all illness. She also introduced the concept of affirmations. Affirmations are about remembering our true self and utilizing its power. Therefore, trust is the power of affirmation to manifest what you want. They must always be positive and in the present tense. For example, affirmations like this: I am totally healthy. Whatever we concentrate on increases, so don't concentrate on your bills. You will only create more of them. Gratefulness for what you do have make it more abundant. Become aware of the limitless supply of the universe. Observe nature. Your income is only a channel of prosperity, not its source. One of the first things Louise says to people who come to see her is stop criticizing yourself. We may have spent a lifetime doing this, but the beginning of real self-love, one of the main ingredients in healing your life, happens when we decide to give ourselves a break.